Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 F-150 Super Crew XLT package. There's a 4x4. There's that Ecoboost engine. It's running smooth, so we'll go ahead and take a walk around. See that it has tow hooks up front, alloy wheels, and fixed running boards. This one also has a power sliding back window and a tow package. There's the backup camera as well. So it does have a spray-on liner. Go ahead and show you the interior. There are additional power supplies right there. You see it does have a dark metallic maroon paint. There's your keyless entry. I use mine on my F-150 all the time. Right there you have your VIN. Okay, come down here, you see that it has 71,248 miles on this vehicle. Here's your trip computer, your push to talk, your stereo controls. Here's your ignition and your 2- and 4-wheel drive. As you come over here, you're going to see that you do have heated seats up front. And here are your climate controls, your stereo, here are your sound settings, and here's your audio. You see you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. If you want to see the backup camera, we pop it in reverse. There we go. It's an HD backup camera. Here are your guidelines, then here are your sensors as well. And then down in here, you're going to have additional charging spots right there. And then right here, you have your manual shifter. And you've got your cup holders and additional stowage right here. And then right up here you have additional power supply, your glove compartment. As you come up top, you're going to have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this F-150 on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. Was in an accident. There was some damage here in the front driver's side quarter panel, and then also on the rear center as well. Right here, the airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage. We got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.